Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Fariha Salim, and today we are going to do the practical of capillary tube method for clotting time. First of all, we have spirit swab, blood lancet for pricking. We have capillary tube and stopwatch. Now we are going to perform this practical. First of all, we will sterilize the needle which we are going to prick. We will use blood lancet and get a deep prick of 3 mm on the fingertip after cleaning it. Now discard the first drop of blood from the puncture site and then fill a capillary glass tube by dipping its one end in the blood drop on the finger. Okay, so we have filled the capillary glass tube. Okay, now hold the capillary tube horizontally between palms. Now after 3 minutes, we will break this capillary tube on one end and then after every 30 seconds. But first we will wait for 3 minutes. Time right now is 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now 3 minutes have passed, so we will break the capillary tube from one end. So you can see that a fibrin has been formed. Now after 30 seconds, after every 30 seconds, we will then break it from one end. 30 seconds have passed. Okay, so stop the stopwatch when the fibrin thread is seen between the broken ends. As you can see that there are fibrin ends over here and over here. This is a fibrin end. The procedure is repeated on 3 capillary tubes. An average of 3 readings is taken. The normal clotting time is 5 to 10 minutes and our time is approximately 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Okay, some precautions should be taken. There should be no air bubble in the blood column of the capillary tube, and also hold the capillary tube horizontal between the palms when you are doing the test. And note down the time when blood starts to enter the capillary tube. That's it for the clotting time. Now we will proceed to bleeding time. And the second practical we will do about the bleeding time. Bleeding time is basically the time taken for the stoppage of bleeding from the site of skin puncture due to the formation of hemostatic plug. And what is that hemostatic plug? You have already studied in the chapter of platelets from the blood unit. Okay, and we will do this bleeding time practical by the Duke method. In Duke method, apparatus would be this pricking needle, stopwatch, filter paper, alcohol swab. Now we will start the procedure in which it is saying that there would be a deep cut on the finger by cleaning the tip of left hand finger, and then we will start the stopwatch at that moment when the blood starts coming from the site of puncture. Start the stopwatch.
Okay, start the stopwatch from the moment the bleeding starts from the site of puncture. Apply the edge of the filter paper to the oozing blood drop and take this time as a zero reference. Remove the blood every 15 seconds by touching the finger gently on the filter paper till the bleeding stops and there is no stain visible on the filter paper. Note the time when there would be no trace of blood on the filter paper. You can see that the traces of blood is being placed on that filter paper in every 15 seconds. Okay, stop that stopwatch. Okay, you can see that we have seen in the filter paper that from the site of puncture when the blood oozes, we take that as a 0 second. Then after every 15 seconds, we are tracing that blood. And so the normal blood bleeding time would be of 1 minute 15 seconds. As the last drop would be on that point when the no trace of blood is placed on that filter paper. And the normal bleeding time is about 1 to 6 minutes by the Duke's method. And the maximum upper limit of that bleeding time is about 9 minutes. Precaution of this bleeding time would include that the skin puncture site should be made aseptically clean, and the finger or that the other place we can use as an air lobule should not be touched during the procedure. That's all for today's practical. Thank you.